Meet Comdi. She's a 40-year-old Asian elephant who lives in Chiang Mai, Thailand. And Comdi just loves sugarcane. This is Comdi. She's a 42-year-old elephant and she just loves playing in the water. Watch it, Steve. Last but not least, this is Nuan. At 50 years old, she's the oldest of the group and the lone. She seems to like her personal space from the other packagers. This is how elephants scratch their butt. Hi folks, welcome to the channel where we focus on our international travels. And today we're coming to you from an elephant sanctuary near Chiang Mai, Thailand. We spent the day at the Elephant in Wild Sanctuary, which was part of an all-day waterfall trek, whitewater rafting, and elephant tour. And just wanted to do this video because I thought it was interesting and I want to share information about Asian elephants. Now, before I get started, I just want to say that while doing my research for this video, I read through the World Animal Protection website, which suggests a true elephant sanctuary will not allow the direct feeding or touching of animals. Now, that is not what we had here. So if that is something that you are vehemently against, perhaps this video is not for you. Now, with that said, I am not for any sort of animal cruelty, nor do I condone it. I've been to tourist locations in the past, and I've seen chained elephants and elephant rides, but I did not see any inkling of this behavior at this sanctuary. In fact, if you see any animal cruelty in this footage, please do not hesitate to leave a comment and bring it to my attention. I will leave the link to the Elephant in Wild Sanctuary website and to the travel agent that we used to book the excursion. I'll leave that in the description below. With that said, folks, enjoy the video. So, Thailand is home to about 3,000 to 4,000 wild Asian elephants. They live in protected national habitats, and primarily in the west, north, and northeast regions of Thailand.
But we not call them lady boy. In Thai, male elephant we call them Mai. Like this one, his name is Noi. We call it Mai Noi. Yeah, we call pronoun, we call his name. And female, we call Pang. Like this one name was Bunyun, we call her Pang Bunyun. But lady boy elephant, we call it them Sido. Sido, that means lady boy elephant. Lady boy elephant, that means male elephant who born with no tusk. He look like female elephant. That we call it. Okay, now to not be wasted your time because another elephant will come back already. We might go to shopping some food for elephant before. Need shopping some food for them before. You bring some money.
Their eating and sleeping habits, they eat about 300 to 500 kilograms of plants per day, drink about 100 to 200 liters of water per day, sleep about 3 to 4 hours in short intervals. They do that both standing and lying. They eat grasses, barks, fruits, leaves, and their lifespan in the wild is about 60 years. They're excellent swimmers. They're highly intelligent with strong memory and problem-solving skills. If you get something out of this video, please leave a comment and let me know what you got out of it. Enjoy the video.
Sorry, that's one. Her name is Comdi.
Comdi.
Comdi, she was 40 years old.
Comdi.
And
on the right.
One who had mud on the body. Yeah. And the one in the middle, one who got small tongue. That one, her name is Comdi. Comdi. She was 42 years old around. And the one last elephant on the smallest one, that one, her name is Nuan. Nuan, she was 50 years old. Yes. Now, when we feed them, I'm gonna show you. First, we put like this and put under the elephant trunk. They will grab and eat it by themselves. Okay, like this. But the second way, more friendly. Bone. Bone.
Bone.
And put it by the mouth like
Bone is
this.
up.
Then touch her body after this. Give her a big hug also. Every gentleman, be careful. One last thing, one last warning from me. Keep safety. Your banana. Don't let elephant eat your banana. Okay? Careful your banana. Okay, now no food, no friend. Go feeding elephant, grab them, and after you feed them, you can touch their body. Waiting. Every places on their body, like their cheek, their head, their ear, their trunks, or their shoulder. But don't touch elephant eyes, because elephant eyes are sensitive. And when you touch the body, don't forget to talk with them. You can speak with elephant by your own language, like English language, Deutsch language, and Espanol language. And what your language is? Dutch. Yeah. Fine by your also Thai language, because some elephant they not understand what you're talking, but they will recognize you from your voice. And after that, you can take photo with elephant, but no flash.
No flash.
Okay. But welcome.
Why does he have so small?
Pardon?
Why?
No, that is the top. The top, small top, that's what female.
Man, you just snatched it. I don't think they mind. I don't think.
Harder. Elephant skin is very thick, about 1 or 2 centimeters.
Juicy enough.
Yeah. Honey, you gotta give it to the side.
ยืนข้างๆนะครับยืนข้างๆแล้วกอดกำๆเลยไม่นวลกดชัดอะไรนี่กอดได้ลูกได้นี่ชื่อแม่นวลนะผมแม่นวล50แล้วโอเค welcome standing from her get closer more closer standing from her head
You need food.
okay that's fine step closer
You need.
okay yeah when she's chewing you can touch her body yes yes I will send you later
It's already.
Get closer.
yeah see you later welcome and stand between that elephant
Stand between them.
yeah stand between them
Stand in
come
between.
on Ryan
Should I get food?
no okay be careful your banana some elephant will rip it off okay that's perfect
Hit me with his ear, man.
no when she flap her ear that means she was happy
Oh yeah. Oh, okay.
okay turn around
Boone.
turn around
He doesn't want that.
hey
She likes that, honey.
get her
She likes that one.
perfect
Yeah. That's what she likes. Yeah. You want this? You want this?
oh why you have
Which
so
one?
much on your face oh okay turn around nice
It's like the banana. She likes the sugar cane.
yeah elephant loves sweet
Yeah.
So come stand between them. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Nice. You can touch her body. Yeah. Okay.
This one only eats the sugar cane. It doesn't eat the banana.
Great. That's right. Okay. We all ready.
Yeah. You like that? You like that? Good.
Okay.
Good.
Banana.
Yeah, I know. She
50 years old.
I don't think that's covered in the insurance.
The one on the far end, like
You good? You good? You like that? You like that?
Just turn it on.
It's wrong. It's alright. It's alright.
Come on up there.
So you can see that I'm standing a couple of steps away from this elephant. And the reason is when I touch it, especially the trunk, I can feel how strong and powerful this elephant is. And just feeling the trunk feels like it's entirely made of muscle, and it is. Doing a little research,
No.
it's a
It's just
muscular
a screensaver.
hydrostat. So the
It's still,
human
as long as that's
equivalent
still
would be your tongue. You know, think of a tongue that weighs 140 kilograms or 300 pounds and can lift a falling tree, but it's also precise enough to crack a peanut shell without crushing the nut inside. So elephant has 40,000 or more muscular fascicles, and that arrange in a complex weave, some running long ways, some circling the trunk, and some spiraling, to allow that mix of brute force but also extreme delicacy.
Small banana. Oh, where's my banana? Over here. Oh, she did it.
Come and comply.
Some elephants they love sugar cane than banana stalk. This less of sweet. Sugar cane more sweet.
But doesn't it create plaque?
Fun.
It's not good for the teeth, though.
Why can you do it and I can't? I can't.
Because they know me.
I know you.
They know me.
Well, you know it's us.
Come down.
Yeah, we're boys.
Yeah, we're boys.
It's my mate.
And some elephants behind of the eye is have a spot. This spot is the hormone spot. When both male and female elephant when they got horny, the liquid hormone is like
No, it's not food. It's not.
on that spot.
It's not
That
food.
means that elephant get angry or get mad. Don't get or don't stay.
There you go.
That elephant.
Oh no,
It's risky.
he tried.
Even the horny.
I don't see their teeth.
Hormone spread.
I don't see any teeth.
Yeah.
That's
Must be
dangerous.
in
They
there.
can destroy or killing people. But mostly
Maybe
was
like
male
sticking
elephant.
her mouth up or something.
Yeah, now she was happy.
Oh, they might think this is their food. Well, careful. Whoa, he's coming pretty quick. Make way. Asian elephants, they travel in herds, they're herbivores, so they eat plants, they need large areas to roam. And luckily, Thai law has conservation efforts to help protect their habitat and prevent conflict from humans. Between 2023 and 2024, there's estimated about 3,800 elephants in Thailand that are still in captivity. So Asian elephants are a little smaller than the African counterparts, standing at roughly 3 meters tall, between 3,000 and 6,000 kilograms. I just want to take this time for some quick acknowledgements. Definitely want to give a shout out to Tony for teaching us all about the elephants, these wonderful, majestic creatures. Thank you, Tony. Also, Mr. Bank and the wonderful Chiang Mai Travel in Chiang Mai. And again, I will leave his contact information in the description below, just because he was wonderful. Definitely recommend you reaching out to Mr. Bank if you go to Chiang Mai. He's one of the hardest working people in Chiang Mai, taking care of clients and making sure they're having good experiences. Thank you for that, Mr. Bank. He's loving it out there. She's loving it out there. Look, honey. Honey, look. That's cool. That's cool. Man, these beasts! They are pretty friendly, but you have to kind of make friends with them. The guy said you have to make friends with them first, and you do that by giving them food, right? And that's banana, really any fruits, but we fed them banana stems, banana tree, chopped it up, banana tree, and look, scratching his butt. Mud spa. Is this the mud spa? Oh.
Can give her spa.
I think there's some elephant dung mixed in there because I grabbed and it was a little too thick.
No,
It was a little
that is
too
your
thick.
imagination.
No,
In fact, it's only mud. That's your imagine. It's gonna be a dung. That's not true.
It was kind of.
Yeah, it's some dung on the mud. Yeah. Some elephant when they eat, it's coming out. Most elephants have one stomach like human.
Oh yeah.
It's not. Yeah. They're not like a cow. Cow got 6 stomachs.
6 stomachs.
Yeah.
Really?
Why are they doing that? Why are they splashing themselves with mud?
Because it will protect their skin.
The mud
Protect their skin from some mosquitoes.
From bugs and.
And also some mud will control their temperature.
Keep them
Elephant
cooler.
body. When they make cool or make heat. Oh great, be careful, whose shoe was that?
Hi folks, so I'd like to provide my feedback on this elephant and wild sanctuary. Even though it doesn't fall on the list of approved sanctuaries for the World Animal Protection website for Thailand, I would give this place 2 thumbs up. And the reason why is there's nothing that I saw that showed that these animals were under any type of duress or anything like that. Yes, they have their trainers, but I did not see any animal being abused or hit or beaten or anything like that. They do have a rope around their neck that has what looks like to me a bell. Reading the reviews, the owner said just that. The bell is for knowing where they are because they let them roam around at times. I will say I probably would not go to a sanctuary and feed and touch a male elephant, and the reason why is because you hear of these issues where male elephants get aggressive and they attack people. But otherwise, when it came to the elephant excursion, when it came to the hiking and the rafting, which I'll cover in a different video, I would give this location 2 thumbs up. Thanks for watching. See you next time.